Zero is the idea that you can get your email inbox down to zero on a regular basis.
I think email is a source of constant stress for pretty much everyone ever.
I am going to give you one goal, 2 solid steps, and a mantra to help conquer your email.
I love Nicole. I think she gives very tangible tips that you can take away and immediately implement. And this whole concept of email and how to really triage your email and get your inbox to zero. I think most of us need that tip, and how to be more efficient in our business.
We are going to do this rapidly. We're going to be ruthless.
I loved, again, very tangible. Like, there are people who get really overwhelmed by email. We get inundated with things that have meaning and stuff that has zero meaning. So I think that she broke it down for us in a really easy way.
We're going to think triage nurse at the ER. You have a sniffly nose, go over there. You have a hurt wrist, go over there. You are bleeding from the neck, you get over here.
Formalizing that process and sort of, instead of what I've been doing, which is sort of kind of a combo pack simultaneously, it's just not efficient.
We can get through over 1,000 emails in less than 20 minutes.
I was really inspired to hear that you could get through 1,000 emails in 20 minutes.
Over 1,000 in less than 20 minutes, you can deal with them.
I think that her style of using her sheet to fill in activates different parts of your brain, so it brings it together.
Triage your inbox, process your in-process.
Email is such a huge component of how we do business, so I love her topic, and I think Nicole is so relatable.
You're triaging, go here, go here, go here, do this, do this, do this. Your process is do.
Because she's a tech guru, you still feel like she's not going to judge me if I tell her how many emails I have in my inbox. She's still going to just support me to learn how to manage it better.